Okay, this is the passage. I'm enlarging it. First, take down the dictation. We accordingly hold Subpara 1 that there was no agreement between the college and the state government to admit students into its MBBS course on the basis of RPMT-2008, and the finding of the High Court in this regard is erroneous, and the High Court could not have directed the college to fill up its seats on the basis of merit of students as, as determined in RPMT 2008 as per the law laid down in TMA Pi Foundation as explained in PA Inamdar Supra. Full stop. Hence, the direction of the High Court to fill up the seats by students selected or waitlisted in the RPMT 2008 is set aside. Next para 2. The admissions of 117 students to the MBBS course for the academic year 2008-9 in the college were contrary to clause within brackets 2 of regulation 5 of the MCI regulations and were not within the right of the college under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution as explained by this court in TMA Pi Foundation and PA Inamdar Supra. Full stop. Next para 3, subpara 3. In exercise of our power under Article 142 of the Constitution, we direct that none of the 117 students who were otherwise eligible for admission to the MBBS course will be distributed from pursuing their MBBS course, subject to the condition that they will each pay a sum of rupees 3 lakhs within a period of 3 months from today to the state government, and in the event of default, the students will not be permitted to take the final year examination, and the admission of the defaulting students shall stand cancelled, and the college will have no liability to pay the admission fees already paid. Full stop. The amount so paid to the state government shall be spent by the state government for improvement of infrastructure and laboratories of the government medical college of the state and for no other purpose. Full stop. Next para 4. The college which was responsible for making the admission in violation of clause within bracket 2 of regulation 5 of the MCI regulations will surrender 107 bracket start 117 minus 10 bracket close MBBS seats to the state government phase wise, not more than 10 in any academic year beginning from the academic year 2012-13, and these surrendered seats will be filled up by the students selected in RPMT or any other common entrance test conducted by the state government of Rajasthan or its agency for admissions to the government colleges, and the fees payable by the students admitted to the surrendered seats would be the same as that payable by the students of government colleges. Next B. The results of the students in the MBBS course held up on account of interim orders passed by the court may now be published. Full stop. Para. The impugned judgment of the High Court is modified accordingly, and the appeals are allowed to the extent as indicated in this judgment. Full stop. The pending IA numbers 3 and 4 stand disposed of. Next part. Civil Appeal number 6210 of 2012 bracket start arising out of SLPC number 24967 of 2011 bracket close, and Civil Appeal number 6211 of 2012 bracket start arising out of SLPC number 25353 of 2011. Full stop. Next para. Leave granted. Full stop. IN number 2 of 2011 in civil appeal arising out of SLP within bracket capital C number 24967 of 2011 for deletion of the pro forma respondent numbers 5 to 19 is allowed. Next para. These are appeals by way of special leave under Articles 136 of the Constitution of India against the common order dated 10/8/2011 passed by the division bench of the Rajasthan High Court in DB Special Appeal within bracket writ number 632 of 2011 and DB Special Appeal within bracket writ number 407 of 2011. Full stop. Next para. The facts very briefly are that by consensual arrangement between the state government of Rajasthan and Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Hospital bracket start for short the college bracket close 85% of the MBBS seats in the college are filled up by the allocation of students by the competent authority. Full stop. The competent authority, namely the convener of the Central Undergraduate Admission Board, by his letter dated 31/7/2008 to the principal of the college, allotted 85 numbers who had been selected in the Rajasthan pre-medical test 2008 for admission to the payments seats of the college. Full stop. Thereafter, comma, by another letter dated 38/2008, the convener sent to the college a list of reshuffled, allotted, wait-listed students for admission in the MBBS seats in the college, full stop. In this letter dated 38/2008, it was stated that the last date of joining the course for the students so allotted would be 11/9/2008, and the list of vacancies which are not filled up shall be displayed on the notice board of the college on 12/9/2008, and the students from the wait list will be admitted to the vacancies, and this must be completed by 18/9/2008. On 25/9/2008, the convener sent another letter dated 25/9/2008 to the college, enclosing there is a list of candidates who had been selected, reshuffled for the MBBS course for the year 2008 in the extended second round of counseling, and it was stated in this letter that the last date of joining the course for the students would be 27/9/2008, and the list of vacancies shall be displayed on the notice board of the college on 28/9/2008 at 10 a.m., and the students shall be admitted from the wait list into the vacancies, and such admission process must be completed by 30/9/2008, full stop. On 29/9/2008, the additional principal of the college issued an office order that the residual seats which remained vacant even after the second round of counseling will be filled up by an admission process which will start on 30/9/2008 at 6 p.m. full stop, this much. Thank you. So you have to take down the dictation. I mean to say you have already taken down the dictation. Thereafter you have to transcribe it, and this way if you practice, so definitely you will get a good result. Okay, thank you everybody.